Good evening, everybody, or good afternoon. I always get confused what I should say here, but hello, welcome to our kickoff for what I say, week 4. Yay, we're at the end of this week, like I say in my little announcement there. You guys are going to be halfway done with the term. So far, it looks like everything is going mostly reasonably well. Pretty pleased with most of your work, and I keep learning something new whenever I grade anything. Just want to let you know that we've got 3 more activities to do this week. Let me kind of minimize this and get to it. So what you've got 3 interesting topics to discuss. We've got 2 labs to work on. One's on centripetal force. And there's a couple of good questions there. I'm going to be honest with you, it's a little tricky to do that one. I had trouble myself doing it, but I think you'll enjoy it when it's done, and it's actually fairly accurate. It's amazing what the people who put together these labs can do with some pretty cheap hardware. I was impressed by that. Same is true for the gravity study here. This is a very simple little experiment that we'll do, but you'll be able to determine, if you're careful when you're doing this, a fairly good number for acceleration of gravity, as I recall. Not done that one in a while, but I might do it this week just to see what's going on with y'all. Another thing we want you to do this week is work on your first milestone for your final project. You got to read through that and find out what that's going to be, what the whole final project, what it consists of. And what you want to do is choose one of your activities from, I would choose up to including the lab 4 stuff you're doing, and you're going to want to prepare a presentation on that. And a couple of things to begin to consider even now about that is the audience to whom you might be talking. Now, as I understand it, there's no presentation required, but you have to make the charts up. I won't object if somebody does a video for me and does it on camera. I got to do it. I don't have to, but I like to do these things, and that way you can actually see how well it comes across on video. Anyway, I hope this is helpful for you when I do these little things. I kind of like doing them, and I hope it helps you understand what's going to be done during the week. As always, if you've got any questions, email me, text me. I'm happy to help you as much as I possibly can. Have a really good week this week, and I will talk with you soon.